In this lesson, I am going to teach you about the vocabulary that is often used in modeling. And possibly when you start, you would not know the meaning of these words, and that kind of, makes anyone a bit nervous or out of place. So let's tell you about the words that you're going to commonly hear when you start modeling. These words you will, hear more at the time of shooting, at the time of casting and meetings. So the first word is open call. So what is an open call? Open call is a kind of casting which is for everyone. You can, when they say it's an open call, anyone can just go in. It's a walk-in audition. And normally, otherwise, it is like a shortlisted audition where you send in your pictures beforehand, or like, the casting director's team has approached you and they ask you to send your self tape or your pictures, and only then are you invited for the shortlisted audition. So, an open call means an open casting which is for everyone. The next is video book or model book. So, a video book means basically a montage, of all the work that you have done. So, the video work of whatever that you have done so far. So, if you are a beginner, you are a newbie, of course, you will not be having a video book. But over the time, once you have started working, you can, you can keep a check of your work. You can make a separate folder for all your videos so that later on you can make a nice montage of your entire work. Then there is direct booking. So, direct booking is an online casting where you send your self tape and a video book if they ask you to send. Direct booking generally happens in the case of international projects, or if you are not in the same city as the project. If you are in, earlier it used to be like, you have to be at the place where the agency is or where the shootings take place. But now things are very flexible. You can be living in a different city and send your auditions, send your self tapes, and then if you get the work, you can just go in for the project. So basically, direct booking means where you get selected through the online casting process. Callback. Callback is a term used when you are one of the selected ones for the final casting. Also, this is sometimes called shortlisted. Pencil or recall. This is a term that is often used more in the international market. So basically, pencil means another round of casting. In case they are not able to decide in the callback who is their finalized candidate, they will call you again to finalize. And this is normally called pencil or recall. So basically, it is another, like you can say, how they filter to make their selection on the final candidate. Option. Option means you're one of the shortlisted ones and have been kept in the option. So they will tell you normally to keep your dates blocked until the final call has been made. So to tell you in more simpler words, it's like, say for example, four people have been shortlisted by the casting director and they like all of them. So what they're going to do, but they will have an order of preference for second, third, and fourth. So they are going to keep you blocked as an option for certain amount of days, and they will let you know, like, you can always tell them to let you know in time, and then they are going to release your date in case you're not selected. And in case you're selected, congratulations. PPM. It is the presentation meeting where the casting director sits with the producer and the director to show the final list and the decision is made. So many times you are going to hear this word, like, when you get in touch with the casting director and, to know the update, they will tell you, or sometimes, they will just tell you